Hello students, welcome to my channel. 11th standard physics first midterm examination உடைய ஒரிஜினல் மாடல் கொஷின் பேப்பர் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போயிடலாம். ஒன்று ரீட் பண்ணுறேன், மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, நல்லா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்மளுடைய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு தொடர்ந்து வந்து ஃபைனல் வரைக்கும் நான் எக்ஸாமுக்கான என்னென்ன படிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் உங்களுக்கு போட்டுருவேன். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சரில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், இஃப் த லென்த் அண்ட் த டைம் பீரியட் ஆஃப் த oscillating pendulum have errors of 1% and 3% respectively, then the error is measured of the acceleration due to gravity's dash. Second one, the length of the body is measured as 3.51 meter. If the accuracy is 0.01 meter, then the percentage error in a measurement is dash. Third one, if pi is equal to 3.14, then the value of pi square is dash. Fourth one, the dimensional formula of Planck's constant is dash. Fifth one, I shake is equal to dash. Sorry, one shake is equal to dash. Sixth one, which one of the following physical quantities cannot be represented by the scalar? Seventh question, if a particle has negative velocity and negative acceleration, its speed. Eighth one, if the velocity v vector is equal to 2 I vector plus t square j vector minus sin k vector, then the magnitude of the acceleration at t is equal to 0.5 s is dash. Ninth question, if an object is thrown vertically up with the initial speed u from the ground, then the time taken by the object to return back to ground is dash. Tenth one, which one of not a scalar quantity? Part 2, answer any 5 question. Question number 17 is compulsory. 2 mark 5 attempt பண்ணணும். Total வந்து 10 mark. 11th one, what are derived quantities? Give 2 examples. 12th one, define angular velocity. 13th one, the temperature of two bodies measured by the thermometer or T1 is equal to 20 plus is equal to 0.5 degrees Celsius. T2 oda value 50 plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. Calculate the temperature difference and error. 14th one, define a radian. 15th one, what is a projectile? 16th one, define precision and accuracy. 17th one, an athlete cover 3 rounds on a circular track of radius 50 meter. Calculate the total distance traveled by him. Next part 3 என்ன 3 mark 5 attend பண்ண total of 15 mark. 18th one, what are the uses of dimensional analysis? 19th one, define distance and displacement. 20, give 2 vectors. So a vector oda value I vector plus 3 j vector plus 6 k vector. B vector oda value 2 vector plus 4 j vector plus 5 k vector. Find the product a vector dot b vector, magnitude of a vector, magnitude of b vector. 21, explain the principle of homogeneity of dimensions. Given example. 22, explain triangulation method to measure larger distance. 23, write the rules for determining significant figures. 24, what are the resultants of the vector product of two given by a vector at a value 4 I vector minus 2 j vector plus k vector and b vector at a value 5 I vector plus 2 j vector minus 4 k vector. Next part 4, answer all the question. 25 a first one, write a note on radar method to measure larger distance. Second one, a radar signal is beamed towards a plane and its echo is received 7 minutes later. If the distance between the planet and the earth is 6.3 into 10 to the power of 10 meter, calculate the speed of the signal. Or B, if the value of universal gravitation constant is SI is 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 11 nm square kg minus 2, then find the values CGS system. 26, question A, obtain an expression for the time period T of the simple pendulum. The time period T depends on mass m of bob. Second one, length of the pendulum, and third one வந்து acceleration due to gravity, g வந்து constant. Or B, first one, prove that the path of the projectile is a parabola. Second one, convert vector r vector is equal to 3 I vector plus 2 j vector into unit vector. 27a, derive the naimatic equation of motion for constant acceleration. Or B, discuss the properties of scalar and vector products. So, அவ்வளோதான். ஈஸியாக படிச்சாலாம் நெக்ஸ்ட் சப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து நம்ம தொடர்ந்து பார்க்க நம்மளுடைய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. உங்களுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தொடர்ந்து பார்க்கலாம் சொல்லுங்களா. தேங்க்யூ. பபாய்.